Hey, it's Ronan. A few days ago on my Spotify, the song Better Off Alone by Alice DJ came on. What a great song from my teenage years. I thought, let's try it on accordion. I've been playing it on recorder. It's been going through my mind. Let's explore it on accordion. There are 4 chords in the song: F major, G major, A minor. And then we can either go back to the G major, in which case it's just 3 chords. We can hit the E minor, or we could hit the B over a G. I'll use a combination of all 3 of those options. F, G, A minor, G. Good. Let's play the song and then I'll discuss it. So we're just exploring what it's going to sound like. Let's explore rhythm. This is one of those songs that's not meant for accordion. It's a dance anthem. It's meant for, let's explore it. That's the tuck 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 da da. It's a kind of a cool kind of rhythm. We could do it any number of ways, but let's keep going. It's a repeating song. Let's play it. So, gonna change into teacher mode. What happened there was we have 4 chords: F, G, A minor, and then we get to choose to come back to the G, or we hit the E minor or the B over G. Fine. That was about 2 minutes to 3 minutes of noodling, of trying out different rhythms, different voices, different registers, all the while just hitting those 3 or 4 chords. Because we just did a workshop on rhythm and chords, I'll apply the teachings from that workshop to this song, just like any other song. This is not a waltz, it's not a polka, it's not a tarantella, it's not a tango. We chose a rhythm that was pa 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 tuck. Right? I'm always thinking about other instruments: guitar, violin, bass, tone, tum, tuck, 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 tuck. Right? How do I do that? How do I do that rhythm? How do I get a groove going? That sounded good to me. Ba da 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 ba ba da ba 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 da ba 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 da 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 da. And throughout the song, when a verse changed or when the melody changed, I changed my rhythm. Ba, da. And then, talk to me. Ooh, talk to me. And then, ba da 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 da, different. Pa pa pa. So, how do we build the song up? Changing, we start off with a bassoon, hitting those chords: F, G, A minor. There's a beautiful part in the middle there: F, G, A minor, G. What do we put under that? Sustained bass. Or when my head starts to do this, when my foot starts to move, it means I'm in a groove. So again, that exploration has to happen. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm showing you my exploration. Feel free to do the exploration by yourself. I oftentimes use other instruments and loop them to get that groove, and then I fit things in between, right? Am I playing up here? That's part of the melody. Do I want to be softer for that? Come back to and become heavier and swell the song. That's a kind of exploration that I encourage you to do with all songs, whether it's a pop song, whether it's... this works for all songs across all genres of popular music that we play on accordion. So I love the accordion. If you want to learn with me, head on over to accordionlove.com. There's a free 1-week trial. Enjoy the song.